Good day, folks. How's everyone doing? It's Matthew here. Thought I'd share a quick little update of the table refinishing project that I'm currently working on. This is my personal dining table. This table was left here in the house that I bought here a couple years ago. And as you can see, a quick little reminder, the absolute horrendous condition that the finish is in on this table. Peeling, flaking, staining, white marks. You can simply scrape the finish off with your fingernail. Absolutely terrible. So I've got this scraped and sanded down to 80. I'm doing the top and the bottom just so I can completely stabilize it and make sure it's all beautifully and equally finished with Odie's oil. And I wanted to share with you the progression of the stain match. I wanted to make sure I get that done before I strip this down so I have something to reference to. So I just grabbed a few pigments that I thought would be in the realm of the right color, which led me to here by a slight tweaking by adding some more yellow. I'll share the exact recipe here in the next video. And this is the final result, adding a little bit more of aged bronze to bring in that, that bronzy kind of color. And this is a very beautiful match. Once this gets the top coat of oil and a little bit of sheen presented to it, I think we're gonna be bang on. So stay tuned, I'll keep you up to date.